Hi, hello, welcome to my YouTube channel Teach with Talks 123. Today important GK questions and answers. Please subscribe my channel, like and share. Popular nicknames of famous Indian personalities. Personalities and their nicknames. Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam is the 11th President of India, Missile Man of India. A.R. Rahman, the Mozart of Madras. Balagangadhar Tilak, he was one of the freedom fighter. Tilak, Lokmanya Tilak, Bhagat Singh, Shahid-e-Azam, Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, Baba Saheb, Chandrasekhar Azad is a revolutionary freedom fighter. Dhyan Chand, the wizard. Gopala Krishna Gokhale is the political guru of Mahatma Gandhiji. Mahatma Gandhiji considered to Gopala Krishna Gokhale is my political guru. Professor of Order. Indira Gandhi, she is the first woman Prime Minister of India, Iron Lady of India. Jagjit Singh, the Ghazal Singh. Jawaharlal Nehru, people are called Chacha Nehru. And Kapil Dev, Aryan Hurricane. Ghazi Nazrul Islam, Mr. Shad Man. Lala Lajpat Rai is the Lion of Punjab. Punjab Kesari. Lal Bahadur Shastri, Man of Peace. Lata Mangeshkar, Swara Kokila. Mahatma Gandhi, Bapu. Milk Singh, playing sick. Mother Teresa, Saint of the Gutter. P.T. Usha, the Poily Express. Ravindranath Tagore, C. Gurudev. Rajendra Prasad, Ajata Shatru. Another one person also same Ajata Shatru. You can comment on this box. Next, Ravi Shankar, Sitara Mastro. R.D. Burman, Panchama Dha. Sachin Tendulkar, Master Blaster. Sarojini Naidu, Right Angle of India. Saurav Ganguly, Bengal Tiger. Subhash Chandra Bose, Netaji. And Tippu Sultan, Tiger of Mysuru. Bismarck, Vallabhbhai Patel, Bismarck of India, is the Iron Man of India. Thank you.